Okay, I'm filming this.
They're coming for us! They're coming! Oh my god!
Holy shit!
I'm serious, they're actually coming.
Now you tell me that.
I died! Oh crap, I died.
I lived.
I died. Yeah, I died.
Fuck, I died.
So did I. Oh wait. Get your mouse and change back to G-Man. I'm G-Man now.
G-Man squad.
You look G-Man. You look G-Man. You're awesome.
You look awesomer as G-Man.
We are awesome G-Man.
Alright.
Oh crap, where are you?
I'm already there. I get my juice from there. Yeah, I get my such from here. I will.
Wait for me.
I will.
Okay, I'm here. Go. No. Okay, what?
Yeah, I'll just let him.
I'll open it, okay? Hey, G-Man.
What? Oh, fuck. What?
You know what we should be? We should be the, you know what? Yeah, let's just be G-Man then. Yeah. It's always...
Oh, shit. I accidentally pressed it. Sorry, one shot. I accidentally pressed it. Yeah! G-Man Squad!
G-Man Squad.
Yeah. Da-na-na-na-na-na. G-Man Squad.
Yeah, G-Man. Does one shot want to join the G-Man Squad?
Alright. I'm not gonna press the button until someone is in.
Okay.
There we go. Oh, let's move this a little. How many credits do you have? You wanna go? You wanna go?
No, you can go. I'll meet you there.
Okay. Okay. You sure? Oh, okay. There's
Positive.
penis.
Ow. Bye-bye.
Bye bye, Daddy. One step closer to mankind. I mean, one step closer for mankind.
Oh, Monster Jam, how did you get so cool? Hey man, that was next. I was here first. I'm not pressing then.
Yes, I guess someone's being a baby.
President? Thank you.
Is it dead? Okay, good, it's dead.
I'm here.
Go! I'll keep the door from closing.
Go.
No, it's... Oh crap, not again.
do very much.
Exploring.
Demon, for you!
And this is something we haven't seen in a while.
Oh. Oh my god. Who's exploring? Hi. I'm exploring too, I guess. There's a lot of people in there. We need to kill them. Let's kill them. There's nobody here. Come on, I need to kill these people so we can get to this place. Oh, forget it. These doors won't open. I got an idea. Open sesame. Open sesame. Hey, G-Man!
What?
Wait for me! Wait, are we still doing the video?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, okay.
I haven't made a video in a while.
I found something, come here, I found something, come here! Come here!
Where?
You can break it and get in! Come here, look! Shoot it with a rocket! Right there! No, crap! I'm guessing I can't. Never mind, sorry. You know what? I haven't used my crossbow in a long time. You get back here! Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Oh shit, I haven't seen that. Ah! There we go.